Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Tigga. Today we will take the 8th lesson of EVS class 2nd, Air Around Us. Now in this lesson you can see various things. Now there are some things which need air and there are some things which do not need air. Now tube, football, kite and plant. These are the 4 things which need air. And bulb, bag, book, pencil and table. These are the things which do not need air. Now you know that air is all around us, but we cannot see air. We cannot smell it or taste it. We can only feel it. Now when you start on the fan, when the fan starts moving, you can feel the air. You get air. So from this we know that we cannot see air, but we can smell, taste or feel it. Now air is very important for us. Human beings, plants and animals breathe in air. Human beings breathe in air through their nose. Plants take in air through the small pores on their leaves. Fish use gills to breathe underwater. Insects breathe through their skin. Now there are different ways of taking air inside. For example, human beings, they use their nose to take in air. Then plants, there are small pores on the leaves. From there they take in air. Then fish, they use gills to breathe underwater, and insects breathe through their skin. Air for burning candles. Candles and fire also need air for burning. Take a candle. Light it up with the help of an adult. Now cover the burning candle with a glass. What do you observe? When we cover the candle with the glass, it burns for some time. And then the flame goes out. The candle needs air to continue burning. When we cover the candle, it stops getting air. That is why the candle burns for some time and then the flame goes out. You can see here the candle is burning, and when you put a glass over it, for some time it will burn, and after some time the candle will stop burning because the flame goes out, because it does not get any air. Air has weight. Take 2 footballs of the same size. Fill air in one of them. Weigh both the footballs on a weighing machine. Which one is heavier? You can see here the football full of air is heavier. What does it show? That air has weight, because the football which has filled with air is here it is weighing more. So that means the air has weight. Then air expands when heated. Stretch the end of the balloon over the top of a bottle. Set the bottle in a pan of hot water. After a few minutes, the heat will cause the air in the balloon to expand, making the balloon to blow up. This happens because the hot water heats up the air inside the bottle. The warmed air expands, filling up more space inside the balloon. Here you can see when the warm water, it gets air from the warm water, it starts expanding. So that means that the air expands when it gets heat. Air is everywhere, even in an empty bottle. Let us do an experiment to learn more about it. Take an empty bottle. Try to push this bottle in a bucket full of water without tilting. Does the bottle go into the water? Does it go? No. Now tilt the bottle. What do you observe? Do you see any bubbles coming out from the bottle? Yes, here you can see the bubbles. When the bottle is tilted, you can see the bubbles coming out from the bottle. The bottle is filled with air. It does not let the water come inside the bottle. When we tilt the bottle, air comes out in the forms of the bubbles. Then water enters the bottle. This shows that air is present everywhere. Now, causes of air pollution. The air gets polluted due to the following reasons. Smoke from vehicles such as cars, buses, trucks and aeroplanes. Now you can see here the vehicles, cars, buses, trucks and aeroplanes. When the smoke comes out, it causes pollution. Then burning of garbage in the open. See here the garbage is being burnt and it causes also pollution. From factories, you can see here the gases which come out from the factories, they also causes pollution. And burning of crackers, here you can see when during the Diwali time where the crackers are being burnt, then it also causes pollution. Then burning of petrol and coal. Then steps to reduce air pollution. Use of public transport like CNG buses, metros and trains. Use of battery operated vehicles. Use another fuel like CNG, solar energy, etc. Walk or ride a bicycle for short distances and planting of trees. These are the various steps how you can reduce air pollution. Then there are some airborne diseases which are born through air or you get through air. Some diseases can be caught simply by breathing. These are called airborne diseases. These diseases spread when an infected person coughs, sneezes or talks. The germs in the air come in contact with you when you touch your own eyes, nose or mouth. Some examples are common cold, chickenpox, mumps or measles. Now, how can you prevent these airborne diseases? Now, we can prevent airborne diseases from spreading out. Firstly, you stay at home when you are sick. Don't roam about here and there. Just stay at home. Then, secondly, avoid close contact with people around you. Third, wear mask to prevent breathing in germs. When you wear a mask, you are unable to get the germs inside you. You don't breathe in germs when you wear a mask. Then fourth, cover your mouth with a handkerchief when you cough or sneeze. Always put a handkerchief when you cough or sneeze. Now I think you must have understood the lesson. Read the lesson, then complete whatever is given in the worksheet in your notebooks. All right, thank you children.